We all know that the natural water we find around us cannot be used as drinking water. Why? Because it contains germs, dust, and other undesirable impurities which may be suspended or dissolved. So these impurities need to be removed before we drink the water. So we need to have purified water, right? Now there are various ways to purify the water. Now one such way is sedimentation. Now what happens is that suppose you take a glass of dirty water and allow it to stand for a few hours. Now after a few hours when you will see that all the impurities has settled down at the bottom of the glass. Now this is called as sediments. That is the impurities which has settled down at the bottom of the glass. In a similar manner, river water is pumped into tanks or big reservoirs and allowed to stand for few hours. Then all the solid particles that is there in the river water settles down at the bottom and we get clear water at the top. Now there is one more method to purify this water. This is called the filtration method, where what we are doing, we are using this blue cloth as filter and we are pouring dirty water onto this filter. Now what happens that the insoluble impurities that are dissolved in this water gets collected here. They are retained in this blue cloth and we get clear water in this can. Now the water we get in our homes is clean, but it is still not very clean. It still contains large amounts of dissolved salts, minerals, dust, maybe germs. Now this water, this contains minerals which are healthy for our body, but in too much content, it will be harmful for our body. So even the water that comes in our homes needs to be purified before drinking. Now we all know that boiling is the most common method to make the water purified, as it kills most of the harmful bacteria. So boiled water is actually the purified form of water. Now there is one more method, that is adding bleaching powder to water. Now what happens when we add bleaching powder to water, it releases a gas or it releases chlorine. Now this chlorine makes the water purified. Now if you see, I look at the equation, you will see that bleaching powder when added to water will form calcium hydroxide and chlorine. So it releases chlorine. Now this chlorine purifies water. Now you cannot drink this water, you still need to boil it before drinking. Or you can use water purifiers. Now these water purifiers, they clean the water in all the ways. They remove the harmful salts, harmful chemicals, dust, germs and give us best purified water for drinking.